Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get Plex on your Firestick in 2025. The whole process is super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And the very first step is you need to get the app code downloader to your Firestick. So if you already have the downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have a downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course just follow me. So I have to go and open the search bar on the Firestick, open search, and here you have to start entering downloader. And usually there is even no need to enter the whole name of the app because as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on downloader and here is the app, which you need to get to your Firestick. But then after you got downloader, it's not over yet because you still have to set it up. So now in order to actually stop the loader, let's go to settings. So click that button with a gear icon. Then scroll down and open My Fire TV. And from here, what you have to do is turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Firestick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the A/B debugging, then head to install unknown apps, and from here all you gotta do is locate downloader and just turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now go back to the list of apps on the Firestick. Here it is, open it, and there is downloader, which we just got. However, before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server, so just pick any location, let's say Iceland, and connect to it. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we go back to a list of apps on your device, open it, and it is time to start using the downloader now. So basically here, you open the search bar, and it's time to enter the code now, which is gonna be 524308. So again, 524308. That is the code you have to enter. Then just click on Go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Firesticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on the connection speed. Then just click install and wait until the whole installation process is finished. Then do not click open yet, instead press done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick. So get rid of them by just clicking on that delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on the Firestick. And now when you go back to the list of apps on your device, here it is, open it, and now there you will finally see Plex at the bottom. So first of all, I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote now. That is the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on Move to Front. This way, Plex will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. So enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.